The Pino, British Columbia Element Brand. So I have a guy in operation out there. Get a fish all day, every day. And these Atlantic salmons are very slimy. Slimier than I'm used to, so I'm just kind of disgusting right now, but luckily the sand frame handle is pretty nice for that.
How's the flex on the blade?
Yeah, I mean, I'm not using the flex too much in this particular scenario, but if you can see it, like when I do need to get into tighter areas and check all that out, it's insane. I'm usually using this kind of flex when I'm doing more halibut style cuts, like really need the flex to run down stuff.
How many fish do you think you filleted in
God, it's going to be an embarrassing number, I'll say. Thousands?
Nice.
Our Chinook limits are 2 per person per day, so it's not uncommon for me to come back with, I'll say 8 kings, 8 silvers, halibuts, lingcods 3 per person. So, anyways, in short, I'll probably cut about 300 pounds of fish a day with this thing, which is a lot.
Yeah, putting them to work.
Yeah, for sure. And again, I would use one of my blades for the more bony fish, or lingcods, rockfish, things like that. Ones that I knew would take a bit more of a beating, and then I kept one 9-inch blade strictly for salmon, and I didn't sharpen it all season. So June until October, which was for me the biggest win for these knives. It was just a big time saver for me. At the end of a 10-hour fishing day, the last thing I want to do is sit there and have to touch up my knives, because it's a tool that I really, really, really rely on, and kind of having one that I knew just worked was nice.
Any questions for Brody?